we've moved on to work on the lower quarter panel. We're gonna replace this. It's all cancered out. It's pretty bad. I've already kind of done some pre-mock-up. It's an aftermarket piece. Had to do a little trimming right here, right there. Bent the tabs out just for getting this line just right. There you go. It's already been cut out. It was cancered real bad. This has been replaced previously. Don't have a video on that. We already did the video thing. And what I'm doing, I use this big piece of steel to put along here as a level. Because what I want to do is make sure that this line here stays the same all the way to here. The original piece wasn't there. It's been gone for years. So I'm gonna do my best to try and get it mocked up right. And we'll see what happens. So you know what? Yeah, so we'll probably just go to time lapse, speed this up so you don't get too bored. All right, hope you like it so far. Thanks for watching. This came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Hey, thanks for watching.